Hi guys, happy Friday. So first off, welcome back to the vlog. If you're new, then welcome. So it's Friday today. I'm in my parents' garage and I'm gonna do an at-home workout. So today I'm doing Sammy Clark's 15-minute body workout. So I'm gonna go ahead, do that, and start my day. Alright guys, workout done. Now I'm gonna go ahead, shower, and wow, look at that sweat. I'm gonna go ahead, shower, and start my day. Wow, I look a mess, but it's okay. So I ended up having to work. I still didn't shower yet. I have to shower. That's why my hair looks kind of crazy. But yeah, I was doing some work upstairs from my 9 to 5. And oh my God, my hair. And now I'm eating lunch. So I'm gonna show you what I'm eating for lunch. Yummy lentils with rice. Yummy, super filling lunch right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat this. Hi guys, so it is later. I was so busy with work. Sorry, my dogs are barking. I literally just finished. It is 5 o'clock and I look a mess. I was just so busy like working my 9 to 5. So yeah, I ended up getting my Sephora goodies. So I want to share that with you guys and show you everything I got. Okay, so here is the overview of the products. I also included the packaging of all the products because I absolutely love them, especially the Summer Fridays packaging. It is so pretty and super soft. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. So first off, I ordered the It Cosmetics CC cream. I've tried this before and I didn't like it, but I reordered it hoping that during this quarantine, I would test it out and see if I like it. So I got this one in the shade medium. So I'm gonna test this out and let you know what I think. But I'm like really excited because I feel like it's gonna work out this time, but fingers crossed. So I got this again. I also ended up getting the Peter Thomas Roth Cucumber Detox Ultra Gel Eye Patches. Guys, I've heard so many great things about this and I'm so excited. They're like jelly. I cannot wait to try these on and see, you know, how they are. These are supposed to like depuff your eyes and prevent wrinkles and also like targets crow's feet, which is great. I'm just like more concerned about like the puffiness under my eyes. So really excited to be using this product. It was a little bit pricey, but I heard it's really good. So gonna definitely test this out and keep you all posted. And then I ended up picking up these two products from Summer Fridays. First of all, this packaging is gorgeous. I absolutely love it. This is the CC Me Serum. So it's supposed to brighten your face. Actually, it has more info on the packaging. So, whoops. Okay. So it says improves the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation, which I totally have. But yeah, I'm super excited to try this out. Again, packaging is absolutely beautiful and I love Summer Fridays jet lag mask and their R&R mask. So I'm very excited to try this one. And then I also ended up picking up the Summer Fridays Super Immuno Gel Cleanser. Guys, this product feels heavy. It feels very expensive, at least the packaging. So I'm like really excited for it. And I love this jade color. So let me read you what it says on the box. So it says, super powered by a restorative cocktail of 11 amino acids and a splash of mineral-rich seawater. This gentle pH balancing cleanser washes away makeup impurities while it moisturizes and nourishes the skin. So yeah, super excited for this one. I can't wait. And it's like a pretty good bottle. This has 150 milliliters, 5 fluid ounces, which is pretty big. So I'm really excited for this guy. These are just all little products I got. I can't wait to try these out. Let you guys know what I think. This, I guess, haul is mainly more skin based. So I have like a serum and a cleanser and eye patches and then a CC cream. So I'm trying to clear up my skin and see how it is. So yeah, just thought I'd share with you my little mini haul. Hi guys, so it's a little bit later. Steve and I are on our way to go get pizza. We ordered pizza and we're just gonna go pick it up. They literally just bring it out to you and you just pick it up in your car. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and pick that up. We ordered veggie, a white pizza, and what did you order? Pepperoni? And a pepperoni. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get pizza for dinner because it's Friday. And yeah, it's like a rainy day over here in Florida. So we've just been chilling, watching, well, not chilling, we've been working. But after work, we've been watching like the Harry Potter series. So we're in movie number 4 now, right? Mm-hmm. So we finished 3, now we're watching number 4. And yeah, we'll probably finish them by this weekend. There's, I think, 8 of them, so definitely finish. So yeah, those are our plans. Nothing too exciting during these quarantine times. But yeah, I really want to try out that Sephora stuff that I bought, so I might try it out tonight. If I do, I'll let you guys know. But yeah, alright guys, gonna go ahead, pick up the pizza, and I'll show you what we got. Hi guys, so it's 10 o'clock and I'm wide awake. I ate pizza, I hung out for a little bit, watched the Harry Potter, the 4th movie, I think, the tournament one, I forget what it's called. But now I'm a little bit bored and I thought I'd do another workout because I'm wide awake. So I'm doing another one of Sammy Clark's videos. I think I'm gonna do the 20-minute booty and abs workout. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get to it. Hi guys, so I just got done working out. I ended up showering. I did my skincare routine as you guys saw, and now I'm ready for bed. So I'm gonna go ahead, get to bed, and I will see you all tomorrow for another day. All right guys, bye. Hi guys, happy Saturday. So I woke up, got ready, took the boys on their walk, fed them, and now we are eating breakfast. Steve made pancakes and bacon. I'm just having pancakes, and Steve and my brother are having bacon and pancakes. And yeah, I'm having my coffee over here. It's a nice Saturday, just black coffee. And yeah, gonna hang out, see what the day has in store for us today. and finish the Harry Potter trilogy, series?
Sure.
Harry Potter series. All right, guys, see you later. Oh yeah, that's a pinata on the background. Don't mind it. My brother bought it for like himself. All right, bye guys. Hi guys, so it's a little bit later. We ended up eating lunch, watching I think it's the 5th Harry Potter movie, and we ended up taking a break, going to, so we're in Florida. There's a store called Sprouts, which is kind of like a Whole Foods. So we ended up going there, grabbing up a couple of groceries, and then we ended up going to Chick-fil-A. So we got Chick-fil-A, my mom's in the back, Steve's driving. So we got Chick-fil-A for dinner, and we're just gonna eat, hang, watch the other Harry Potter, and yeah, I also went to Home Depot because I bought stuff to do like that popcorn mirror. So I don't think I'm doing it today, but I'm gonna do it tomorrow, and I'm gonna show you guys the process and how it's gonna come out. So I'm really excited to do that because it looks super cute. I've seen it like all over Instagram, so can't wait to do it. Have my little popcorn mirror. But yeah, I think that's all we're doing today, and if anything changes, I'll let you guys know. All right guys, see you later. Hi guys, good morning. So we're out for our morning walk with the pups, and come on Wesley, oops, and we're gonna have, okay, there, come on Wes. We are, I'm doing so much today, filming videos, getting everything ready for the week, content-wise. Gonna do a workout when I get home. It is so hot out, it's like 90 degrees this morning. And yeah, we are just taking the pups out for a walk, and then gonna go inside to work out and get our day started. All right guys, see ya later. Hi guys, so we're back home. I am in my parents' garage, and I'm wearing my little workout stuff. It's just like some shorts and like a little crop top, and I'm gonna go ahead and do a workout. So I'm doing Sammy Clark's 10-minute upper body, arms, shoulders, back workout, and then I'm doing a 10-minute Sammy Clark ab workout. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get started. So actually, change of plans. We're not gonna get ready for the day. We're actually gonna renovate our bathroom. So I'm just gonna show you guys the little progress that we have going on. Okay, so this is currently what the bathroom looks like. We're in the middle, well, Steve's in the middle of removing the floor. We just got rid of the door to the shower. Let me move over here. So like this. And then the vanity is gonna go here, and the floor. And then let me just do a quick outside overview of what it looks like. There we go. Hi guys, so I look totally crazy. I ended up slicing my hand. Fixing, like not even fixing, I was just taking out the trash, and I opened my hand, like I cut it. A lot of blood was shed, and so were tears. So now I'm just laying on the couch, gonna watch another Harry Potter, and just be very upset because it hurt, and I was crying. Everybody's making fun of me, but I don't care. So yeah, very big change of plans. So now I am just going to watch the Harry Potters, relax. I have some veggie chips next to me, and hang out. Anything changes, I'll let you guys know. I'll also keep you guys on, like, in the loop of the progress of this. You can kind of see the blood is kind of coming through there. Kind of gross, but yeah, it is what it is. All right, guys, talk to you later. Hi, guys. So it's a lot later. I'm in the same place I've been all day. My hand, I can't really move it, reopened and started bleeding again. So I had to just do all the things, clean it out, and like put Neosporin and just like put a new band-aid on it. So that's what I did, and I've just been resting. I haven't been doing much because it's really hurts. Like, it literally hurts my entire like pinky and like my arm. I guess I like cut next to a nerve or something, but yeah, so I've just been like hanging out here with my pup Miley, and then Wes is right here next to me too. Just watching. Actually started watching One Tree Hill again, so that's what I've been doing. Sorry this vlog hasn't been very eventful, but if anything changes, I'll let you guys know. I'm gonna see if I can try to vlog some stuff tomorrow to kind of make up for not doing anything today, but I'll let you guys know, and I'll see you later. Hi guys, so it is not Monday, but it's Tuesday, and I told you guys I was gonna film and keep you guys posted on stuff that I did on Monday because I like hurt my hand on Sunday. But yesterday wasn't good. I literally did nothing because my hand hurt so much I couldn't even use it. But I mean, it looks a little bit better. You can't really tell, and that cut looks like a baby cut, and like it doesn't hurt, but it literally hurts. Like, I don't know if I like hit a nerve or if it's tender or like what, but it hurts. So I couldn't do anything yesterday. I feel so much better today. I can actually open my hand because I couldn't do that yesterday. So I was working literally on my computer with my one hand, which is my right, and just typing everything out on that hand. But yeah, so I'm just wanted to get on here really quick and let you guys know that I filmed a video for you guys. I'm gonna edit that and have that uploaded for you guys tonight, so you'll definitely see that video before you see this one. Yeah, just fill you all in on what has been going on. Yeah, you can barely see my cut, but it's right there and it hurts. I banged it like opening the door to the bathroom, and that really hurt. But yeah, very happy that I can like move my fingers and open up my hand again because I was not able to do that, like I said. All right guys, I'm gonna go ahead, edit the video, and I'll see you all in a bit.